Your income will never exceed beyond your personality, beyond your personal development. By personal development, here I mean to say your knowledge. Either it is your real life, either it is forex trading. I strongly believe our income is never going to increase our personal development and our knowledge. I'm big fan of this concept, and this really works like a charm. Sometime it will take a lucky jump, but if you are not going to work upon your own self, to be honest, then it will come back to at the place where it was. Remember one thing, you are always product of your habits. On this channel, I'm always going to try my absolute best that to increase the knowledge in terms of forex psychology as well, because this is the most important aspect of traders, that they should understand in which way they should trade and what are the important aspects they should keep in your mind to think for the forex trading for the long term. Now here today in this tutorial we are going to talk about what should be your morning habit being as a retail trader. My dear fellow traders, for getting long-term success in this forex trading and in all kinds of trading, you should also keep a lot of aspects and important factors in your mind. A part of them today we are going to discuss what should be your morning habits. Now today in this lesson I am going to touch up only one thing, and that is really important, which I believe so far, and that is my habit from the last couple of years being as a retail trader, being as a forex trader, being as a forex teacher, etc. etc. Now normally what happens basically, day traders, whenever a person is a newbie beginner in forex trading, they don't know, and suddenly market comes to fluctuate and it really goes up and down. Sometimes it goes up and sometimes it goes down, because market is available 24 by 5, and this is the only market where you can trade in 24 hours in a day. But nowadays, due to involvement of crypto, some brokers are also offering, like XNX, they are also offering trading on weekend as well. So almost it is becoming trading for 7 days in a week as well. So traders, they don't know at some point of the day. So for example, if a trader is awaking from US, for example, if a trader is awaking from Japan and one person from Sydney, they awake and they start their trading. Suddenly person go and they are going to take up their trade, and suddenly market starts jumping. Now normally what happens, that's not a best way to start their trading. Normally what happens, first of all you should check all the important aspects and trading plan as well. Today I'm going to follow up these things, and these are really important. Out of them, today we are going to discuss one habit. My dear fellow traders, nowadays US election is coming up. So whenever you are awake in the morning, this should be your daily morning habit, that you are going to check up this FX trade calendar. Now US election are coming, and after that market is going to be highly volatile. 2020 is a great year of forex for all of those people who know properly trend and who know everything. This is a great year of forex trading, and next on forward we are also expecting a great volatility in the market as well. So my dear traders, I am gonna bring up to you my browser, and let's see what we need to do being as a trader, early in the morning, or whenever you are awake you are going to start. So let's see what we need to do. So my friends, what you need to do, here you will come, okay, and you are going to type FX Street economic calendar, this one, then you will open it up, and then straight away you will open up this link. Now what advantages you can get from this link? For example, it becomes really difficult for all of those people who are from USA, Canada, etc., etc., and they don't know which brokers they should follow, and it becomes difficult for them. if you take a look upon this region, okay, this website is going to give you a list of their partner brokers or suggested broker which are working in your area. For example, now it is showing me a lot of brokers which are working in my area. You can see there, and also we can take a look upon them. Now basically this is what I am talking all about. Okay, I am talking about you should always check your economic calendar, that what news are important, what news are about to come today. Right, today we had important news for Canadian dollar. Then in the morning we have some news of Aussie dollar and ZD USD, then JPY. Okay, and then tomorrow we have some important news of USD as well right now, and on the Friday we have some news of euro, etc., and then important news for the euro. And I got a complete course on fundamental analysis and how we can trade up the news, what are the important strategies for the news as well, which I will be uploading with the passage of the time. And I will also teach you how we can trade with the high impact news, what are the medium impact news, okay, and low impact news as well. So basically you should focus only on these high impact news, okay, but sometime you should also focus on GBP USD news. GBP USD news are really effective and they can bring a lot of impact in the market as well. So the most important news are these ones. I can show you and I can highlight it here, these high impact news, okay. Apart from them we have low impact news and medium impact news as well, but the most important news are these high impact news. So you should also consider these, okay. So basically this should be your morning habit being as a retail trader. There are many habits which I am going to upload in the next videos as well, being as a retail trader, which you should keep in your mind for getting long-term success in this business. But this is what I strongly believe, this is the most important habit which you should cover up, okay. So now there are many websites like we have investing.com, Forex Factory, but I am just following it, okay, and it is easy to follow, and also you can get advantage of what kind of brokers are also working in your area as well. So I'm sure that this video is going to be helpful for you. For all of the traders which are not using this calendar, before watching this video they should use it and make your this habit. And remember one thing, whatever work you are going to do, consistency for the next 40 days, that becomes habit. If you do a work for the next 40 days with consistency without missing any day, that will become your habits, and you will always become a great person of your habits, okay. For becoming a successful trader, this should be one of your great habit. I'm sure that it will be really helpful for you guys. If you guys have any kind of further ambiguity or question, you are most welcome to ask me here. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. God bless you.